Hey Transformers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Coach Patrick, Vancouver's #1 weight loss personal trainer. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because I have workout videos every single day. Today's workout video, we're gonna be doing a beginner circuit, really targeting the arms. I got 6 exercises for you, 30 seconds on with a 10-second break. Transformers, let's go. At our first exercise, we're gonna be doing some bicep curls. 2, 1, and let's go. We're gonna curl those arms, keep the elbows tucked in, keep the chest up, shoulders back, and we'll curl those arms. Nice work, guys. And as you curl the arms up, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe out. Nice work, halfway there. Good, 10 seconds. And finish off the arms, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing an overhead arm extension, weights together, up overhead. Make sure you squeeze those elbows in, and then we're gonna extend the arms. And let's go, we got 30 seconds. And as you extend the arms up, you're gonna breathe out, breathe out. Notice how my back is nice and flat, my elbows are pointing to the ceiling. My elbows are tucked in. This is gonna work the inside of your triceps. Keep standing up tall. Good, you guys are doing great. As you extend, breathe out. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work, let's place the dumbbells down. After this, we're gonna be doing a tricep stretch. We're gonna do 15 seconds on each side. Just a little stretch here. You're gonna grab your elbow and then you're gonna pull straight down. You should feel a nice stretch right here. Hold that there for about 15 seconds. And we'll switch sides. Grab your elbow and pull, other side. Good, just get a nice stretch in the triceps, warming up the arms. Good, and relax, shake out the arms. We're gonna grab your weights again for our second set of bicep curls. Elbows tucked in, chest up, curl the arms. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good, get a nice squeeze at the top. As you're coming up, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe out. Good, keep it going. Nice. Notice how my chest is up, my shoulders are back here, my elbows are tucked in. I'm not using my back. 10 more seconds. Okay, get a final squeeze. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good. Overhead arm extensions. Weights together. Up overhead. Keep the shoulders strong. Elbows tucked in. And let's extend. 30 seconds, let's go. As you extend the arms, I want you to breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. You always want to keep your core engaged the whole time, no matter what exercise you're doing. If you're doing arms, core, legs, core is always engaged and you always want to be breathing. 15 seconds, extend. Nice strong grip, keep those shoulders strong. Doing great, guys. And that's time. Nice work. Let's place the weights back down. You should feel a little burn in the back of the arms. Let's get a nice stretch. Triceps, grab your elbow, and let's pull. We'll hold that here for 15 seconds. Good, take a few deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Good, sink into that stretch. And we'll switch sides. Other side, you're gonna grab your opposite elbow and pull. All right, nice work. We'll grab your weights again. We got our third set. Bicep curls, standing up tall, chest up, starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's curl the arms. Last set. Should start to feel a little burn in the arms. Good, keep breathing. You're doing great. Good, we are halfway there. Keep pumping those arms. Pretend like you're curling 50 pounds. Get a nice tight squeeze, less than 10 seconds. 5 seconds, squeeze. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. All right, 10 seconds, just enough time to transition to the next exercise, which is our overhead arm extensions. This is the last one for this set, and you get a little break, a long break coming up. 30 seconds, let's work hard. And again, you get a little break coming up. Extend those arms, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe out. Good, keep going. Nice work, you guys. Good, more than halfway there. Cores engaged. Keep those elbows high. Keep those elbows tucked in. Good, 5 seconds, get a nice tight squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. All right, we'll do a little tricep stretch again. You're gonna grab your elbow and pull. Good. Really, really important, guys, to make sure you stretch, because if you don't stretch, you're gonna be really sore the next couple of days. Good, other side. And if you find you're not sore, then that means your body is adjusting to the workouts and it's time to use some heavier weights or do a slightly harder workout video. All right, you got a 30-second break. Now's a great time to grab some water, take a few deep breaths in and out, because we got some more arms coming up next. All right, let's get ready, guys. We're gonna start in 10 seconds. We're gonna be doing some hammer curls. This time, your elbows, your palms are gonna be pointing in, chest up, and we're gonna curl the arms this way. You're gonna work a different part of the bicep. Good, you got 30 seconds for our hammer curls. Keep the shoulders back, keep that chest up, and keep curling those arms. As you curl, breathe in, breathe out. As you come down, breathe in, breathe out. Good, keep going. Nice work. 10 seconds. Careful not to swing those arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Our next exercise, we're gonna do a narrow grip shoulder press. So here, my elbows are tucked in, narrow grip, shoulder width apart, and I'm gonna press straight up to the ceiling. Ready? And let's go. Press straight up, and then back down. And then my elbows are gonna be directly underneath the weight. The weight of my hand and my shoulders are all shoulder width apart. Everything is in line, and I'm gonna punch the ceiling. Breathe in, coming down, breathe out, coming up. Shouldn't take long for you to feel a burn through those arms. Less than 10 seconds. Keep standing up tall, keep that core engaged. 3 seconds, give me one more. All right, that's time. Weights down. We're gonna do some rapid punches coming up. You're gonna get down low into a boxing position, and you're gonna punch as fast as you can and as hard as you can. Ready? And let's go. Give me some hard punches. Good. Keep the core engaged. Good job. Punch as hard as you can. We're gonna really feel a nice burn through those arms. Make every single second count. Good, 10 seconds. I want you to bend your legs a little lower. Give me some harder punches. Nice job. Remember, keep that chest up. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and time. Good job. 10-second breather. Just enough time to grab your weights for our hammer curls coming up. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. You got 30 seconds. Keep that chest up. Keep those shoulders back. As you curl the weights up, I want you to breathe out. Breathe out. Nice work. Good, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Next exercise, we got our narrow grip shoulder press. We're gonna place the weights right on top of your shoulders. We're gonna press straight up to the ceiling. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Press straight up, slow on the way down. As you press up, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good, we're gonna really tone up those arms, tone up the shoulders. Good job. Burn off some of that fat behind our arms. Good, get you guys looking really, really good. punch that ceiling. 10 seconds. Get control, guys. Do not arch your back. Keep that core tight. 3 more seconds. Give me 2 more. Yeah, last one. All right, good job. Weights down. Good. Arms should be burning. We're gonna be doing our rapid punches to really get more of a burn through the arms. Ready? And let's go. Rapid punches. Give me some hard punches right here. Not small punches, full extension on those punches, okay? Keep going as fast as you can. Give me some power. Give me some speed. Give me some intensity. Okay, get a nice burn through those arms. Nice strong wrists. Strong through the shoulders. Okay, keep the core tight, keep breathing. Get low, 5 seconds hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Grab your weights. We got our last set coming up. Hammer curls, and let's go. Good, curl those weights up. Tuck those elbows in. Good, nice work, guys. Nice work, continue to breathe. Yeah, control the weight. Don't just swing the weight, I want you to control the whole time. Squeeze, control. Nice work, 5 seconds. 2, 1, and time, good. All right, relax your arms a little bit. We got a narrow grip, presses coming up. Weights on, elbows in, ready, and let's go. 30 seconds. Second last exercise of this workout video. I want you guys to finish strong with me. Good, pretend like you're pressing 50 pounds overhead. Good, make every single rep count. Push, control, push, control. Notice how I'm standing up tall, my back is flat, I'm not arching my back. My core is engaged here. Continue to go, guys. 5 more seconds, almost there. Let's do 2 more. Good job, last one, nice and strong. All right, well done. We got our last exercise coming up, rapid punches. We're gonna get low, give me your hardest punch. Ready? And let's go. Good, as fast as you can. Good, give me your hardest punches. Let's go quick, guys. Give me some intensity. Give me some speed. Give me some power. Good. Nice work. Keep it going. Breathe. Full extension with those arms. Nice shot, 10 seconds, get low. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are done. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds guaranteed, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Apply for our free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I can't wait to continue to help transform your life through fitness.